lamshogo joto takhwk bwkhwk ani all channel faidi cheng tini nalen Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare ni hoite ketal job notification faimani norok website thangai nainamu chungka hanke type khaidi agri.tripura.gov.in thangmani pore bono page open nai kisha scroll down khaikeno norok oron nugui mano kaisa option tongo what's new ne o jagano notification faijak naidi advertisement regarding one state coordinator and one gender coordinator obono boni notification o jaga click khaine ne pura notification naina bagai nugui mano annexure b advertisement notice applications are invited from the willing and eligible candidates for engagement of one state coordinator and one gender coordinator purely on contractual basis for a period of 1 year under submission on agricultural extension of the scheme National Mission on Agricultural Extension and Technology takhwk bwkhwk o job ni bagai post ni mung rongkha state coordinator tai gender coordinator tai o job ongkha purely contract basis job ongnai 1 year ni bagai nor nungui mano obongkha boni scheme aboni pore naidi details of the application format and other terms and condition will be available in the departmental website takhwk bwkhwk o job ni bagai norok apply khaina hanke application format fill up khai submit ma khainai boni o application format or notification no tongo norna puno guriwana last digo tongo naidi obong khaboni application format nor nogui mano or notification ang description box o rirwana norok download khai print out nawai form fill up khai norok joma khai mano tai terms and condition bo rejak tongo norok notification naima na tai norok o website thangibo naimano tripurainfo.com boni o jaga bo notification rejak norok jodi nainamu songkha aro thangibo naimano and also from the office of the director T-SAMETI Lembusora West Tripura candidates shall have to submit duly filled in application forms directly to the office of the director T-SAMETI on all working days during the period from 10 August 2021 nishimi 30 August 2021 no separate interview card will be issued takhwk bwkhwk norok application form fill up khaimani pore boni director T-SAMETI Lembusora norok thangai submit ma khainai 10th August 2021 ishimi last date engka 30 August 2021 jora tai borok oboni bage kuno separate interview card rejaglak borok nongno kaisa token number 1 aboni hotel norok interview ni bagai norok thangai phono khaino angano list of eligible candidates and schedule of written test personal interview for the aforesaid post would be published in local dailies in due course of time takhwk bwkhwk jara a job application khaimani pore jara eligible ngerok written test ba personal interview ni bagai hoyto ba newspaper o haike ba boni website o fainai norok regularly check khai tongli aboni pore faidi jeng tebo nalen obongkha terms and conditions applicant may apply for the post by downloading the application form from the prescribed website or collecting from the office of the director T-SAMETI Lembusora and submit the field in the form to the office of the director T-SAMETI Lembusora West Tripura within the stipulated period after superscribing the envelope as application for the post of state coordinator gender coordinator along with following testimonials. Takhwk bukhsong norok envelope dawi tai nongni application form ni logi nongni documents rok logi rui nongni application submit khai di boni director T-SAMETI lembu sarabo. Takhwk bukhsong obongkha remuneration and eligibility norok nogui mano obongkha post code norok yafaro application form fill up khaina ajaga kaisa option dongo post code ni bagai norok nogui mano pulani post code ongkha 01 obongkha state coordinator ni bagai tai obni bagai post dongo kaisa no tai remuneration rejangnai consolidated rupees 50,000 per month tai obni bagai qualification nangnai doctorate or postgraduate degree in agriculture extension, agronomy, horticulture, fisheries, soil science, agriculture economics and other allied sector. Obongkha qualification nangnai tai suggested experience ongkha minimum 10 years of experience in coordination and planning for PhD ni bagai ongkha 10 years tai 20 years for master degree. Apani pore second post ni code ongkha 02 post ni bomongkha gender coordinator tai oboni bagai vacancy tongo kaisa no tai remuneration rejangnai consolidated rupees 40,000 per month tai oboni bagai qualification nangnai postgraduate degree in agriculture and allied sector including home science, extension or sociology. Oboni bagai experience nangnai 5 years experience in agriculture extension or gender related work. Abani pore amongkha age candidate should be below 65 years of age. Takhwk bukhsong jara apply khainai bongni age below 65 ena nangnai. The period of contractual service not exceeding 1 year at a time may be considered, but he or she may not be allowed to continue beyond completion of 65 years of age. Retired government employee with requisite eligibility criteria may also apply. Takhwk bukhsong jara retired government employee borokbo ojob ni bagai apply khemano but 65 years below na nangnai. Takhwk bukhsong obongkha selection of candidates will be made based on the written test performance, experience and personality test in the form of personal interview. Takhwk bukhsong borok nongno select khainai written test performance tai experience tai personal interview nawai written test ngai 100 marks ni bagai on online mode ngai covering general agriculture ni bagai 40 marks tongnai tai plant protection ni bagai tongnai 30 marks and agriculture extension ni bagai 30 marks tongnai 10 marks will be for personal interview. Apani pore while submitting the applications our token number shall be issued against each application. Takhwk bukhsong jara application submit khainai bongni bagai token number rejangnai. After scrutiny like screening of the applications, eligible candidate shall be called for a written test displaying their token numbers in the local dailies and also uploading in the mentioned websites. Thereafter, written test qualified candidate will be called for personal interview. No separate interview card shall be issued. Candidate should follow the notification to be issued in the local dailies in due course of time in this regard. Takhwk bukhsong jara selection nangnai bongni token number rejangnai hoitoba newspaper haikeba bongni website norok daily wise check khai tongdi. Abani pore remuneration for state coordinator, gender coordinator shall be finalized as per existing rules of the state government if the selected candidate are found to be retired government employee. The reservation policy will be maintained as per the existing rules of the state government. Takhwk bukhsong reservation policy bo tongo borok as per the state government. Tai takhwk bukhsong nongni document shall attested khaidi like tongoro photocopy of residential proof like voter card, haika ration card, haika Aadhaar card. Abani pore nongni madhyamik, high secondary, graduation, post graduation PhD marksheet rok norok self attested khaidi aban pore noni age proof certificate caste certificate computer skill certificate jodi tongkhake ba if any tai noni proof of experience. It is to be noted that experience in government office, PSU, statutory body, local self-government will only be considered. Oben bage shimino borok consider kane any other experience will not be considered for this purpose. Takute boksong te alkani bage borok consider khaya. The candidate must apply for the post through the above process only. Application submit by any other mode will be rejected. Takute boksong borok je sako je mention kemani apti hekero norok apply ma khainai alkati borok tai kuno accept khaya norok jodi alkati khaigenge borok habno reject khaire nai. The candidature of the applicant shall be cancelled at any stage of recruitment process if the supportive certificates and information given by the application is found false. Takokte boksong noni jodi kuno documents ba certificate jodi false ma khangke borok nongno je kuno time borok cancel khainai. Aban pore at the time of interview original testimonials have to be produced. Takokte boksong noni jefro interview ngo after noni original documents rok tlangi thangdi norok afro ma phonok nai. No TADA shall be produced for appearing under interview. Takokte boksong borok kuno TADA nongno rejaklak norok interview apply khemini. Takokte boksong obongkha other terms and condition regulating the engagement norok or notification nainai di ang on notification description box or rirwana obongkha application form ang nongno samani taising obongkha postcode ready haikab 01 haikab 02 aboni pore name of the post apply for aboni pore anoni photo jaga thepadi noni bumung noni fathers haika husband ni mong noni present address date of birth aboni pore obongkha examination from madhyamik nishmedi obongkha board council university year of passing the subject tamotong abon percentage of marks tai obongkha experience name of the post aboni pura department haika organization working experience noni last drawn basic pay bisuk tongmani abo mention khaidi tai reason of living tambagi yakar kha borok jotono mention khaidi tai any other specialization or mention khaimano tai contact number mobile number di email id noni other number tai obongkha declaration noni place date tai noni full signature woi norok application submit khati takukte boksong norok jodi obni bagai eligible lang khangke norok khaimano jodi norok interest tong khangke ba belai kheno hambai takukte boksong norok aneo video naima bagai tir bagai ashok no khwlwmkha